There are three methods to pitch your samples. This is method 1. First, load an audio track. Drag a sample from your sample packs onto the track. Now you left click on the sample, go to the top left, go to process, transpose. Now you can pitch your samples in semitones. This is going up by 3 semitones, and then you click OK. Now for method 2, you go to the plus icon. This time we open an instrument. We select the instrument, go to sampler, click on X sampler, create. Click on this icon, open the sampler. Now drag your sample in here. Here you will see a show hide controls button. Click on that. And at the bottom here you will see your pitch shift. I shift it up by 3 semitones. And you will also have your fine tuning knob here. Now what we have to do is place this note in the MIDI. So right click on the sampler track, go to view, piano roll view, and I will place it here. The note was originally placed on C, so I'm placing it on C over here. If you move it up, it will again get pitched up, so you have to place it on C. I press D on my keyboard. You can see that they are almost the same. This is from the sampler and this is from the transpose option. Now for the third method, I load another audio track. Click on create. I go to FX, click on this plus sign over here, insert audio effects, pitch shift, and then I open Gradient 2. This is a free pitch shifting VST plugin. I'll link this in the description. On the left here you'll see this pitch shift wheel. I'll move it up by 3 semitones. You can hold shift on your keyboard to do some fine tuning. I usually keep the preserve formants up to 100%. But it will usually depend on what you're using the sample for. I'll close this. Now I drag in my sample.